Okay, welcome to see here 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus 1 toilet. So we are on the first floor and we are here on the living room. So it's a small living room, a small kitchen, but very well adjusted. I love the large amazing table. It's probably way too big it could be for this house, but it's an amazing piece. And we have here our master bedroom. So they installed already sofa. You will have like a queen bed here. And on the side, you have large area of closet. It's our bathroom here. And this room has an access through the garden, through that. So let's see actually the garden. So we have all the bottom floor. Sorry, here we are. So we arrive on our terrace with our nice, small, tiny swimming pool, a large jacuzzi. But you see we have our lot, very nice property lot. So it's easy to have a nice grass, but it doesn't. You don't have to give more care. I will be like one guy work once per week will be doing the job. So 2-level property, 2-level house. The first level is made in blocks, and the second one I'm not sure if you see, but it's made on drywall. So I think it's Duroc what has been used on the second floor, which is very good too. So you have a large area here again. I say that to the property we have just seen built on the next side, but a large parking area or play games area, playground area. Also able to build a small unit. Why not in the corner here to have your grandson coming with his girlfriend. Tiny pool, but we are a kilometer to Playa Marsella, so here is just at the end of the day or before to go to the beach, a small swim. Okay, so you can walk all around the lot, and we have our car access over here. So yeah, nice color of cabinet, a grey blue. Nice contract, convenient things. So you will have your fridge here on the side right. Here you will have your kitchen, stove. So we have here a toilet. It's funny room is below the floor level. So 7 stairs, 14 stairs total, and we arrive on our second level. So here you see it's drywall, and we have a small intermediate room or living room with a small balcony. I want to open it, I feel a bit hot. And we have on this level 3 bedrooms, like kids' bedrooms, with 1 bathroom only. So we have here the third. Let's go inside. So it's like 3.5. Yeah, more or less also 3.5. Okay, so they are like, yeah, large, okay bedrooms. This one is a bit bigger. And the last one might be the same size, yeah. So we have like 2 that are like 12 square meters or 11 square meters. And one other could be like a 9.5. So it's okay, they are good bedrooms. I like actually the furniture they have installed. They are few, but so here we have a bit around us. I'm looking now in direction of San Juan Del Sur, so it's south. We are so like 6 kilometers north San Juan Del Sur. And we have behind those properties the new coastal road. So it's yeah, a bit close maybe, but me, I like this convenience of having like a good road near me. It changes everything. So we have probably some noise from this, but it's a real plus. I think we have like a beach access of like few hundred meters, so which is amazing. And actually now there is brief and it changes everything on the house. So yeah, the owner has very good test. I see those leather and wood furniture, they are very nice. Okay, so the price has just been reduced. Listed originally at $149,000. The project has been finished and the house has been reduced to $119,000.